Fund transfer form is used to post entries of fund transfers. For example, if you want to transfer funds from branch 1 to head office, you can post an entry from this form. To post fund transfer entry, go to the Accounts module. In Processing Form, open Fund Transfer Form. Select Showroom. Press the New button. Set date. Select Type of from the Type drop-down list. Either you pay or receive the fund. Enter the name of person who verified the fund transfer. Press the key down to select branch where you want to transfer funds or receive from. Press key down to select the fund transfer head. Enter description. Now enter amount. Press Add button. And press the Save button. Fund transfer entry posted successfully. There are two types to receive funds, through bank and cash. To receive funds through cash, press the New button. Select date. Select the receive type from the Type drop-down list. Select Type Cash from the Cash type drop-down. Press the key down to select receipt number. All other data will be filled in automatically. Now press the Save button. Similar to receiving funds through the bank, press the New button and set date. Select the Receive type from the Type drop-down list. Select the Type Bank from the Cash type drop-down. Select the Bank head from Bank drop-down list. And press the key down to select receipt number. Press the Save button. Fund through bank received successfully.